English Native, where English is made easy. Subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of our future videos. Welcome again. We'll be continuing our vocabulary adventure by adding more words to our vocabulary list. Remember, you need to actively practice each word by practicing the pronunciations regularly and using the words to make your own sentences. This is the second of a four-part series for alphabetical vocabulary building, after which the fun begins. So subscribe to our channel and keep up to date and not miss any of our videos. Vocabulary for beginners. Agree, verb, to accept or say yes to something. Example, she agreed to marry me. Balloon, noun, a small colored rubber bag which is filled with air and used as a child's toy or a decoration. Example, my daughter had many balloons at her party. Camp, verb, to live for a short time in a camp or outdoors. Example, we are going to camp in the forest. Dad, noun, a name used for father. Example, my dad likes to eat fish. Egg, noun, a small oval object with a thin hard shell made by a female bird. Example, I like scrambled eggs for breakfast. Film, noun, moving pictures with sound that tells a story shown on television. Example, I watched a scary film with my dad. Gate, noun, a door that is used to close an opening in a fence or a wall outside a building. Example, my house has a big gate at the front. Hand, noun, the part of the body at the end of the arm, including the fingers and thumb. Example, I have 5 fingers on my hand. Ill, adjective, not feeling well, sick. Example, I have the flu, so I am ill. Jacket, noun, a piece of clothing worn on the top half of the body over a shirt. Example, when I am cold, I wear a jacket. Kite, noun, a toy made of a light frame covered with paper or cloth that you fly in the air at the end of a long string. Example, the kite is flying in the sky. Lady, noun, a word that means woman. Example, the lady is very beautiful. Music, noun, sounds that are arranged in a way that is pleasant or exciting to listen to. Example, I love listening to classical music. Night, noun, the time between one day and the next when it is dark, when people usually sleep. Example, I go to bed at 10 in the night. Opera. Noun. A dramatic work in which all or most of the words are sung to music. Example, Sydney Opera House is the most famous in the world. Pear. Noun. A yellow or green fruit that is narrow at the top and wide at the bottom. Example, the pear is tasty and small. Question. Noun. A sentence, phrase, or word that asks for information. Example, I have a question. Radio. Noun. A piece of equipment used for listening to programs that are broadcast to the public. Example, my radio is very old. Star. Noun. A large ball of burning gas in space that we see as a point of light in the sky at night. Example, I can see many stars in the night sky. Table. Noun. A piece of furniture that consists of a flat top supported by legs. Example, I eat dinner with my plate on the table. Umbrella. Noun. An object with a round folding frame that you use to protect yourself from the rain or from the hot sun. Example, the umbrella keeps me dry when it is raining. Vet, short for veterinarian. Noun. A doctor who treats animals that are sick or injured. An animal doctor. Example, I carried my dog Sam to the vet. Wine. Noun. An alcoholic drink made from juice of grapes that has been left to ferment. Example, the red wine is sparkling. Xylophone. Noun. A musical instrument consisting of a gradual series of wooden bars, usually sounded by striking with small wooden hammers. Example, in music class we are learning to play the xylophone. Young. Adjective, having lived or existed for only a short time. Not yet old. Example, the young lady was beautiful. Zebra. Noun. An African wild animal like a horse with black and white lines on its body. Example, the zebra ran really fast. See you in our next video, but please remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell.